Introducing the RCA Saturn 10 Pro, now running on Android 6.0 Marshmallow. What's on screen comes to life on the Saturn 10 Pro's high-definition 10.1-inch display. Power through apps and video with the robust quad-core processor. Worried about space for all your apps and content? Stay mellow, my friend. Now with Android Marshmallow, you can load content and apps on a microSD card in addition to the 16 or 32 gigabytes built in. The new Android Marshmallow lets you choose what you share with apps. When you're on the go, keep in touch with the front-facing camera. But don't forget to take in the scenery. Enjoy the freedom of more time away from the power outlet with up to 8 hours of extended use. And with Marshmallow's new Doze and app standby features, you can enjoy increased battery savings. Get down to business with the Saturn 10 Pro's included keyboard. Quickly update your statuses, compose email, and navigate the web with a detachable keyboard and built-in trackpad. The Saturn 10 Pro is functional and capable, with mini HDMI, 2 USB inputs, micro and standard, and microSD input. Use Bluetooth to pair with nearby devices. Use the MagnaLink connector to dock to keyboards, stands, and other accessories. Take the Saturn 10 Pro home with you today and discover why millions trust RCA to deliver a world of possibilities.